In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use time tracking on Monday.com so you can monitor productivity, track billable hours, and manage your team's workload more effectively. Whether you're a freelancer tracking client work or a manager overseeing multiple team members, Monday.com's built-in time tracking feature makes it incredibly simple. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add the time tracking column, start and stop timers, manually log time, and even view reports by person. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first step is to add the time tracking column to your board. Open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want to track time. At the top of your board, click on the plus sign that says Add Column. This will open the column center where you can choose from different column types. Scroll through the options or search for time tracking, then click on it to add it to your board. Once added, you'll see a small timer icon appear in that column for each item in your board. Now let's start and stop the timer. To begin tracking time on a task, go to the specific item you're working on and click the timer icon inside the time tracking column. A small window will appear. Press Start to begin tracking your time. The timer will now run in the background while you work on that task. When you're finished, simply click Stop. Monday.com will automatically log that time session for you. This is perfect for tracking focused work sessions without needing any external apps. If you forgot to start the timer or need to log time after completing a task, you can manually add time as well. Click on the log time inside the time tracking column. In the pop-up window, select Add Session. From here, you can manually enter the hours and minutes worked and even adjust the date if needed. Once you save it, the session will be added to the total track time for that item. This is especially useful for teams who track time at the end of the day or week instead of in real time. Next, let's look at how to view the total time tracked. Hover over the time tracking column for any item and click into it to see a breakdown of all recorded sessions. You'll be able to view each individual time entry, including when it started and stopped. Monday.com automatically calculates the total time spent on that task, giving you a clear overview of effort and progress. This makes it easy to evaluate how long specific projects or tasks are actually taking compared to your estimates. If you need to see time track by person, Monday.com gives you several powerful options. You can use the workload view to see how time is distributed across your team members. This helps you identify who may be overloaded and who has capacity. You can also create a dashboard and add the time tracking widget. This widget allows you to generate visual summaries and reports based on track time, which is extremely helpful for managers, agencies, and teams billing clients. With dashboards, you can filter by date, person, or board to get detailed insights into productivity and performance. And that's it. You now know how to use time tracking on Monday.com, from adding the column to generating reports and summaries. It's a simple feature, but when used consistently, it can dramatically improve time management, accountability, and project planning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and workflow optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.